Welcome to this video demonstration of RapidAuthor integration for industrial machinery. What if updating and editing your work instructions could be as seamless as reviewing them? In this video demonstration, I'll show you how to use RapidAuthor to edit and save instructions directly back into your Teamcenter database. This streamlined process helps engineers save time, reduce errors, and ensure the team always works with the latest documentation, improving efficiency and maintaining quality with minimal effort. Now let's explore how to find and review the maintenance procedure for the quality test machine as a service engineer using Active Workspace. This includes searching for the procedure in Teamcenter, reviewing the BOM structure and properties, and visualizing the design in 3D. Once logged in as a service engineer, I will use the Teamcenter search to find the quality test machine maintenance procedure. The results are promptly displayed, allowing me to efficiently identify and access the relevant item, saving time and improving accuracy. Let me open the quality test machine maintenance procedure from the search result to quickly review the BOM structure and properties in the Overview tab. Once reviewed, I'll switch to the 3D viewer to visualize and review the design. The 3D viewer provides a clear, interactive view of the design, making it easier to identify issues and enhance accuracy during the review process. In this section, I'll walk you through the process of using the RapidAuthor tool to author and generate work instructions. This includes validating existing procedures, adding new steps, generating final instruction documents, and ensuring they're properly attached in Teamcenter. Now, let's begin by opening the BOM in RapidAuthor. The Open in RapidAuthor feature allows me to easily access design files directly from Teamcenter and modify them in RapidAuthor. This integration reduces the time spent navigating between systems, enabling me to work more efficiently on work instruction changes. Once opened in RapidAuthor, I'll start playing simulation to validate the steps of the work instructions. The 3D graphic viewer in RapidAuthor allows me to interactively visualize the entire simulation, providing a clear view of the process. The document editor displays the step-by-step instructions while the simulation plays, helping me verify the accuracy and alignment of both the 3D simulation and the outlined procedures for effective validation. After reviewing the existing procedures, I will navigate to the last step in the procedure editor and click on New Group in the procedure menu to add a new step. Next, I will select the part from the item tree and click on New Action in the procedure menu, then select Remove the object from the New Action dialog window. This process ensures that each action is precisely defined and linked to the correct part, improving the clarity and accuracy of the work instructions. It minimizes the risk of miscommunication and errors in execution, resulting in higher quality procedures and more reliable outcomes. I will create the final instruction document as a HTML file, outlining the sequential steps involved in the removal process. To do this, I will click the Generate option in the Document tab, and then click the Preview button to ensure that the work instructions have been correctly updated with 3D simulations. This interactive HTML file with 3D player improves step clarity, helping users visualize and understand the process better, reducing errors, and enhancing both training and execution efficiency. Finally, I will utilize the Export to CMS function to save the project and publication back to Teamcenter. I'll return to the Active Workspace to confirm that the document is automatically attached to the object and visible in the Preview tab. This eliminates manual effort, speeds up the process, and ensures the maintenance procedure is consistently documented and accessible, improving the accuracy and reliability of the instructions for future use. With RapidAuthor, editing and updating work instructions directly in Teamcenter becomes a seamless experience. This simple yet powerful process not only helps engineers save time and reduce errors, but also ensures that the latest, most accurate documentation is always available, improving overall workflow efficiency.
If you're curious to learn more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial. You can access it by clicking the free trial link in the video description or by scanning the QR code shown in the video. Give it a try and see how it works for you.